Hello, lovelies. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade remedy for mura, cough, and cold that won't just go away. These are three simple ingredients. I'm sure you should be having them in your pantry at home. All you need is lemon juice, two lemon juice, two heap of honey, and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. You grate the garlic, peel and grate. Extract the juice of the lemon juice and add 2 heap tablespoons of honey. You're good to go. Mix it. You can store this. You can use this for a whole month without putting in the fridge, and you will be so thankful. You'll thank me later. You're welcome. Wannan maganin mura sosai yake yi. If you have cold that you've been taking medication for and won't go, or cough, this is what you need. Make it and keep it. Don't put it in the fridge. You don't want to put it in the fridge. All you need to do is to pour it inside a container, cover and keep.